Knoxville is known for its scenic beauty, rolling hills, and 4 distinct seasons. But along with that charm comes a climate that can challenge your home's comfort and energy performance. From humid summers to chilly winter nights, Knoxville's weather has a direct impact on how well your windows perform. Understanding this connection can help homeowners make smarter choices and improve overall window energy efficiency. Hot, humid summers and solar heat gain. Knoxville summers are warm and often humid, with temperatures regularly climbing into the 80s and 90s. During these months, your windows play a major role in how much heat enters your home. Standard or outdated windows can allow excessive solar heat gain, which forces your air conditioning system to work harder. When sunlight passes through inefficient glass, it raises indoor temperatures quickly. This not only makes certain rooms uncomfortable but also increases energy bills. East and west-facing windows are especially vulnerable because they receive intense morning and afternoon sun. Energy-efficient windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings are designed to reflect a portion of the sun's heat while still allowing natural light inside. In a climate like Knoxville's, this feature can significantly reduce cooling costs and create a more balanced indoor temperature throughout the day. Winter cold and heat loss. While Knoxville winters are milder than in northern states, temperatures can still dip below freezing. On cold nights, heat naturally moves from inside your home to the colder outdoors. Windows are one of the most common areas where this heat loss occurs. Single-pane or aging windows often lack proper insulation. Drafts, condensation, and cold spots near windows are common signs that your home is losing valuable heat. Even small air leaks around frames can have a noticeable effect on comfort and heating bills. Double or triple pane windows with insulating gas between the panes help slow down heat transfer. Well-sealed frames also prevent drafts and maintain consistent indoor warmth. In Knoxville's fluctuating winter conditions, properly insulated windows can make your home feel cozier while lowering energy consumption. Seasonal temperature swings. One of the unique aspects of Knoxville's climate is how quickly the weather can shift. Spring and fall often bring large temperature swings within the same week. A warm afternoon may be followed by a chilly evening. These fluctuations can stress older window materials. Frames may expand and contract with changing temperatures, leading to gaps, seal failure, or reduced performance over time. Once seals break, insulating gas can escape, and condensation may form between panes. Modern window materials such as vinyl or fiberglass are designed to handle temperature changes more effectively. They resist warping and help maintain a tight seal year-round. For Knoxville homeowners, choosing durable materials is key to long-term energy efficiency. Humidity and moisture concerns. Knoxville's humidity is another important factor. High moisture levels can impact window performance in several ways. Excess humidity inside the home may cause condensation to form on glass surfaces, especially during colder months. Over time, moisture can damage window frames, particularly if they are made from untreated wood. Rot, mold, and mildew can develop, affecting both energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows often include better sealing technology and moisture-resistant materials. Combined with proper ventilation, these windows help control indoor humidity and reduce the risk of long-term damage. Storms and weather resistance. Thunderstorms and occasional severe weather are part of life in East Tennessee. Strong winds and heavy rain can test the strength and sealing of your windows. If seals are weak, water infiltration and air leaks can occur. High-quality, energy-efficient windows are built to withstand these conditions. Improved weather stripping and reinforced frames help keep your home protected while maintaining efficiency. Making smart choices for Knoxville home. Knoxville's climate demands windows that can handle heat, cold, humidity, and sudden weather changes. Investing in energy-efficient windows is not just about saving money, it's about improving comfort every day of the year. Homeowners should look for features such as low E glass, double or triple panes, insulated frames, and strong weather seals. Professional installation is equally important, as even the best window can underperform if installed incorrectly. By choosing windows designed for Knoxville's climate, you can reduce energy bills, enhance indoor comfort, and protect your home for years to come. When your windows work with the local weather instead of against it, your entire home benefits.